All praise and honor to Jesus Christ the Lord. As you may have noticed yesterday and today, I am using a background pictures that I took when I was living in Rome. Yesterday, it was a picture of the Piazza della Tartaruga, that is the Turtles Plaza, park, the Turtles Park in Rome. And today, this, I believe, is the little garden near the Capitolio, that is the Piazza Venezia. But in any event, so today we can rejoice in the fact that death does not have the last word. The last word is Jesus, and he's also the first word. And in the meantime, he has told us many things. Jesus promised that if we believe in him, we will have eternal life. And he will raise us up on the last day, because that is the will of his Father. Believing in the resurrection is one of the articles of the Christian faith. I want to make a clarification here. I have met in the past some Catholics that have dabbled in Oriental religions while neglecting their own faith formation. And then they come to believe in the reincarnation. That is that when we die, we go on and use another body again. It's like an eternal recycling. But in any event, so I have breaking news for you. And if you have heard that from somebody whom you know, you can let them know this. Belief in reincarnation is not compatible with the Christian faith. Sorry to tell you. Well, actually, I'm not sorry to tell you. You need to know this. We also, besides that we don't believe in reincarnation, but believe in the resurrection of the body, we also stand on the hope that our loved ones who live their faith and have gone on before us are waiting for us on the other side of death, that is in eternal life. We believe that we will be reunited with them in a glorious day. The promise of the Lord stands firm. He came to fulfill God's will, and God's will is that he will not lose anyone whom the Father gave him. God is faithful. He will do it. Jesus, I trust in you.